How to ace your MCQ exams in criminal law. Tip number 1. Master the basic concepts. Do not just memorize what you are reading. Memorization alone won't get you far. If you don't understand the principles which explain why a rule exists, when it applies, and how to apply it in context, or if you are not familiar with the definitions, classifications, and elements of crimes. Mastering the basics helps you analyze legal scenarios. Tip number 2. Read the question carefully. Careless reading leads to careless errors. Many examinees lose points not because they lack knowledge, but because they miss a keyword like not or least. What to watch for? Negative qualifiers, for example, not, except, least likely. Absolute terms, for example, always, never, only, directly. Legal triggers, for example, with intent, armed, without consent. Read the question twice if needed, and underline mentally or physically the critical facts. Tip number 3. Think first before looking at the choices. The choices are designed to confuse or distract you, especially if you're not solid on the topic. So, form your answer in your mind first before being influenced by these choices. This technique strengthens recall, prevents over-reliance on guesses, and trains you to think like an examiner. Tip number 4. Use elimination technique. Even when unsure, you can increase your odds of answering correctly by ruling out wrong or irrelevant options. How to do it? Remove answers that are not in the scope of the question. Eliminate answers that contradict legal principles. Tip number 5. Use legal reasoning. Every MCQ tests not just memory, but understanding of legal logic. So, go beyond surface facts, apply legal elements, and test them against the question. How to apply it? Ask yourself, what is the issue here? What law governs this scenario? Are all the elements of the crime present in the fact pattern? Tip number 6. Manage your time. The exam is timed. Spending too long on one question may leave you no time for others. Allot time per question. Don't obsess over one item, move on, then return if you have time. Bring a watch and monitor your pace. Tip number 7. Don't leave any question unanswered. There is no penalty for guessing, so a blank item is always a missed opportunity. What to do when unsure? Narrow it down to the top 2 choices. Choose the one that is more precise or legally aligned. Avoid gut-based guessing, lean on logic and law. Tip number 8. Be careful with tricky questions. Some questions may have 2 correct-looking answers, but only one truly aligns with the question's wording or legal standard. Pick the most accurate, most complete, or most relevant answer, not just the one that sounds right. Tip number 9. Review previous examinations. Many questions are recycled, reworded, or inspired by previous exams. Studying these helps you recognize patterns. How to do it effectively? Practice with old test booklets. Group questions by topic. Analyze why a certain choice is right or wrong, not just memorize the answer. Tip number 10. Train with mock exams. Practicing in exam conditions helps reduce anxiety, builds mental stamina, and improves focus. What to do? Simulate the actual test setup, timed, silent, no interruptions. Review your mistakes. Was it due to lack of content knowledge, misreading, or second guessing? Take note of topics where you consistently score low and review them deeply.